In the dense jungles, water scarcity can be a significant challenge despite the heavy rainfall. Professional wilderness experts recommend a practical technique, crafting bamboo rain harvesters. By identifying sturdy bamboo shoots, adventurers can cut them at an angle to create natural funnels. With leaves as coverage, the harvested rainwater remains clean and drinkable. This technique not only ensures a constant water supply, but also serves as a sustainable method that blends seamlessly into the environment. The bamboo rain harvester, simple yet effective, is an essential skill for surviving harsh conditions, providing hydration while on the move.